How to fix Messenger floating video call not working on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. If you're facing the issue of floating video call, then in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can fix that. The first step is to open up your settings. Now you want to scroll down and tap on apps. Then tap on these three dots and then tap on special access. Once you find it, you want to tap on appear on top option. Then find Messenger and make sure to toggle this option on. Now head back. Now tap on Picture in Picture. Again, find Messenger and simply toggle this option on as well. Now you want to head back. Now tap on Notifications. Here you want to tap on App Notifications. Then scroll down and find Messenger. Now toggle this option on and allow all notifications. Now scroll down and tap on notification categories. Here you want to toggle on allow notifications. Then make sure that every one of these chats, calls, stories, reminders, everything is toggled on. If anything is toggled off, make sure to toggle it on. Then allow notifications for activity indicators as well. That includes incoming call, call in progress, ongoing services, or chat head active. Now, if you have the additional settings for allowing floating notifications, you want to enable that as well. Once you have done all of this, your issue should get fixed. So go ahead and check in your Messenger app. If it is still not fixed, then you want to open up the Play Store application on your device and then search for Messenger. Now here, if you find the update button, simply tap on it and update Messenger to the latest version. Once it has been updated, any bugs in the app should get fixed and this issue will also be resolved. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.